If you want to check activation date on your Nothing Phone 3, then we have two methods that allow you to do so. The first method is to go to settings. Then over here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to battery. And then in the battery, we can go to battery information where we can find the first use. So here you can find the date when the battery was used for the first time, which is usually the date of activation of the phone. Another way to check the first sign-in date is by going to Google in settings. Next, we're gonna tap on your profile over here and then go to manage your Google account. Let's wait a couple of seconds. After that, we're gonna go to your devices and then you can choose your Nothing Phone 3 over here. And by doing so, you should be able to access the information. You will need to use the screen lock password, most likely, in order to proceed. And there we go. Here we have first sign-in date. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.